What is open-R oxidation? Open-R oxidation is a reaction in which secondary alcohol is oxidized to ketone. Here see, it is a secondary alcohol CH and it is converted into C double bond O. Removal of these two hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. Okay, removal of hydrogen is nothing but oxidation. This H and this H will be removed and here is a double bond. So open-R oxidation is used to produce ketones from secondary alcohol. This is a main application. By using this theme or this principle, this method is used in various industrial processes for the production or synthesis of various hormones, alkaloids, steroids and terpenes. Now remember, this method is basically used for selective oxidation of only secondary alcohol. This method does not oxidize phenolic OH group or it does not oxidize carbon-carbon double bond. So whenever in a compound we want to do the selective oxidation, see here is a beta enol compound. Here double bond, two carbon-carbon double bonds are there. If we are using another oxidizing agent other than aluminum oxide and cyclohexanone or acetone, we are using other KMNO4 or another oxidizing agent, then these bonds are also going to oxidize. But in case of these type of compounds where other than OH other functional groups are there and we want to remain these functional group intact in the product, we are using open-R oxidation. So whenever writing the product of open-R oxidation, only you have to remember the secondary alcohol you have to convert into double bond. O means ketone. So how to write the structure? See here. The same structure you have to write. There is no change in the carbon skeleton or anything. Here is C bond C. Here is methyl group. Here is double bond. So these double bonds are remain unchanged. Only H from this and OH from this will be H from this will be removed, and there is a ketone formation which is called as beta enone. And remember, this is a very important reactant for synthesis of vitamin A. So these are the applications. First application, it is very simple. We can convert secondary alcohol to ketone. You can take alicyclic alcohol, you can take any secondary alcohol, it will be converted into a ketone. And this is one best example, that is beta enol will be converted into beta enone, which is used for synthesis of vitamin A. Thank you very much.